In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Elementor website fully responsive. Our goal is to ensure that your site looks great on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Let's dive in and transform your website into a versatile, user-friendly site that retains its visual appeal across different screen sizes. First, it's important to have some context about what responsive design means. Essentially, it's about making sure your website adapts and looks perfect no matter what device your visitor is using. It's crucial because more people are browsing from their phones and tablets than ever before, and a well-designed site keeps them engaged. Begin by opening your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page you want to make responsive with Elementor. Click on Edit with Elementor to go into the Builder mode. This is the part where you can see your website structure and elements that you need to adjust for a responsive look. In the Elementor editor, take a moment to explore the panel on your left. At the bottom, you'll notice the responsive mode icons, desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click on the tablet icon first. This view will give you an idea of how your site appears on most tablets. It's time to adjust your layout. Look at your rows and columns, and make sure they have enough padding and margins. A tip here is not to make the elements too snug or too spacious. Balance is key. Next, let's check font sizes. Typography plays a big role in responsiveness. Smaller screens require smaller font sizes, otherwise, they might look overwhelming and cluttered. Click on any text element, go to Style, and adjust the font size to match your tablet preference. Do keep headlines readable, but avoid having them take excessive space. Now, switch the view to mobile. Notice how your layout may look different and, sometimes, out of place. Pay special attention to buttons and interactive elements. Buttons need to stay finger-friendly, neither too small nor too close. Adjust their width and ensure there's enough padding. Images often need resizing too. As with text, click on an image, adjust its width, and check for margins to avoid awkward breaks in design. Lastly, review any custom CSS you've added. Sometimes, specific rules need tweaking, especially if you've used media queries. Testing thoroughly across different devices is important. You might want to use browser tools like Chrome's device emulator for this task. Check your revisions by clicking the eye icon to preview changes. Ensure everything looks perfectly aligned and visually appealing. Once satisfied, save the changes. In wrapping up, remember that a responsive design enhances user experience, boosts SEO, and ultimately drives higher engagement on your site. When visitors can navigate with ease, it encourages them to stay longer, explore more pages, and engage with your content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these steps simple and effective in making your Elementor website responsive.